Yeah, man. Was up here at the paint shop. Yeah. Slow. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hit the road, motherfucker, pull me over. I just got out of work. You know what I'm saying? They got me coming over though.
Work for me. No, don't do that no more.
Nah, I'm going to hold that.
We just building this motherfucker from the ground up with it, man. All that's gonna have to come out, man, because we going new school seats in this motherfucker. Probably try to snatch some Camaro seats or something. New shifter. Try to snatch that Camaro dashboard on you bitch ass niggas too. And we ain't gonna say nothing about that. You did. Yeah, all that back there gonna be custom. But all this up in here, we take that right back out. That shit was accidental. Probably finna go power doors. Go power doors, power windows, power seats. Yeah, that's the plan. You did. I look back on the L dog, man. Got all the new trim. You got that. That's already in. Taking the doors out, man. We're gonna try to go power windows. So we gonna just find 2 new doors, man, and go power windows. Power windows and doors, you did. This right here, this from the old shit. Accidentally put that in there. Gonna try to get 2 Camaro seats tomorrow. Try to get a Camaro dashboard too. Yeah. Trying to do all new guts inside, man. Everything. And do that's gonna be custom, man. Yeah. We good go, man. Real talk. The motor come out next week. The motor and transmission come out next week. Y'all better stop playing, man. Real talk. Gotta go pick up a new tailgate tomorrow, man. With this bitch bundled out. We just had a little wreck or something in the back. Chrome strip. Yeah. The thing y'all know I'm gonna be getting them front fenders cut to them motherfucking 6s. You did. Yes, sir. Give me motherfucking front fenders cut to them things. Oh, we still got a long way to go, man. Don't get it twisted. We really a long way to go. Here, my man, Rob Backwood Customs, man. Update y'all on this El Camino. This is gonna be my first YouTube video. Now I should have been put this shit on here, man. Just show y'all how we gonna do this L, man. Okay, man. Let y'all look at it, man. It's him right here. 81L. Right now, 350. Basically stop. 350 transmission. Stop. You know, he didn't already start working. Came from nothing. I'm gonna throw pictures in there. Right now, where we at, you know, he's been gutted, as you see, center console, chrome, everything. Snatching him apart. When I bought it, he ran, transmission slipping. car set up for 12, 13 years, man. Not running, man. Add up the tires. Didn't have no brakes. No brake pressure. Did that. And basically started him up and he ran hard. He did his thing. Transmission was just slipping. That's the only thing. Anyways, man, we gutting this thing now. Anyway, man. It had a little wreck or something on the back, so it's bundled out. New tailgate coming. As you see, man, I'm gonna post pictures and shit, but the flow was rotted out. Dropped a new flow in there. These brackets right here, them coming out, man. I'm gonna tell you my plan. Plan on going Camaro dash, Camaro seats, Camaro doors. That's if everything go right. You know, if the plan go right, Disc brakes, getting rid of them, man. We're gonna build a whole new rear end for it. Racing rear end, racing transmission, racing motor, street strip motor, man. That's what we're gonna do to it, man. Straight like that. Got a long way to go. Just do what we're working with, man. All 350 with a little intake, a little four barrel 750. Edelbrock, no headers, stock heads, old AC, man, everything original up under here. You know. But we finna switch a roof. You can believe that. Straight like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What else we doing to this thing? Oh, man, we're gonna get rid of both doors, man. We're gonna try to find 2 power doors, man. We're gonna try to make this thing power seats and doors. You know, as you see the old brackets, them got to go. Them just, you know, standalone seats or whatnot. You got to go. Everything gonna be power in this thing. We're gonna do the custom backlash. New shifter. That is old 81 El Camino tough. I'm trying to tell you. Would tell you the paint, would tell you the rims. Would tell you the horsepower, I would. But we ain't gonna do all that, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna keep it G. Hey, when I pull it out, he gonna be on these. He gonna be on these stocks right here. I'ma spin these until they blow up. I promise you. Yeah, we're gonna re-chrome everything. Oh, 81L, yeah. El Co, El Dog, El Camino, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. But we're going to start moving real fast. Got an LS 6.0 motor. May 383 stroke that motor. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we got a lot of ways we can go with this horsepower shit, man. Both of them I want turbo. If I do that LS 6.0, I want a 408 stroke it with a turbo. Shit, you know, that's neither here, that's neither here nor there, you know. Probably turbo both 650, 700 with a 383 strokers. Oh, thousands with that LS, you did. So, yeah, strip shit, man. On the G-Body 81L. Stripping him all the way out, man. Building him all the way from the ground up, man. Yeah, we doing that. Yes, sir. Oh, 350 they came up out that thing, man. Oh, slipping transmission, man. It's out that thing. Everything got it intact. $750 Edelbrock carburetor. Yes, sir. The old El Camino, yeah. There it is. Just had surgery. Heart surgery. Yes, sir. not playing with y'all.